My name's Don Adewara. I'm the operations manager here at Vossloh. I've only been with the company for a short period of time. I've been here just over 4 years, even though the company's 150 years old. So the new facilities really reduced the amount of downtime we have in the factory. The flow through the factory now, we've probably picked up 30 to 40% in our efficiency. Well, the old pain points in Castlemaine was basically due to the rail, because the factory was so old, it was very tight moving equipment around. So when we had to move long lengths of rail through the factory, we actually had to stop all the production processes to do that safely. And the length of the rail used to be like 10 or 13 metres long. But now we have 27.5 metre rail, comes in from one end and our finished product goes out the other end. So some of the not negotiables was the structure of the roof. We had to be able to fully implement solar panels on the roof. Another one was the electrical infrastructure, and that was probably missed at the start of the project, but Entegra quickly got on board and incorporated all our electrical requirements. There was a couple of main things that stood out with Entegra's approach to the build. First of all, the safety in constructing the building. I was impressed how everything was done at ground level. They built the trusses up, assembled everything and put it up. Basically in 4 hours actually lifted the roof on the factory. Was really impressive. And the second point in their approach was the other partners they engaged locally here. The really quality subcontractors they used with the crane, the precast panels with the electrical and plumbing. So they didn't select the cheapest, they selected the best quality. But we have a very high focus on safety. We've achieved over 1,500 LTI-free days in Castlemaine, and that's continued here. We're over 1,700 days. The facilities are fantastic here. The environment is so much better. It's amazing compared to what the guys had to put up with in the past. The natural lighting here is really good, where we have this fantastic bright environment now, and just the design of the building has helped maintaining a really good temperature here. So we want to be the employer of choice, and that's something we could never have achieved in Castlemaine.